Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a very important step in home construction, hand mixing and pouring concrete for a house foundation. What you're seeing here is a traditional method still widely used in many housing projects. Workers are carefully mixing cement, sand, gravel, and water using rudimentary machinery in their hands, ensuring the right consistency before pouring. Don't take your eyes off it, it's very unusual. Do you know which country built this? Perhaps the United States has been building things this way for hundreds of years. You can see that these men are very healthy. It seems simple, but this process requires a lot of experience and meticulousness. The foundation is one of the most important parts of any construction, so proper mixing and pouring is extremely important. You can see this requires many strong workers, a whole team working together, from mixing the materials to transporting the concrete and finally pouring it into the foundation. That's a very hard job, isn't it? If you're interested in how houses are actually built step by step, this video will give you a real, raw look at the process. After the steel formwork and frame were prepared, the workers mixed the concrete and poured it in stages, then used a vibrating machine to compact the concrete to ensure there were no voids inside, forming a cohesive block. This process made the entire structure very solid. This house is built on very weak soil, so it needs a strong reinforced concrete foundation. Otherwise, the house will crack at any time after it's built. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow to see more real-world construction videos like this.